So we are in our load balancer, and in the last section we have checked the load balancer front-end IP config, backend pools, then create the health probe. We can create the health probe, my LB health probe, and then the protocol, let it be TCP, and then the port 80, interval seconds 5 seconds. So this basically the amount of time in between the probe attempts. So basically like the load balancer attempts to ping the VMs in the 5 seconds interval, just to check if they are healthy or not. So let's save it, and while the load balancer health probe is getting created, we can go to the load balancing rules. So here I can add the load balancer rules, my LB rule, and then the IP version IPv4, the front-end IP I can choose my LB101 front-end IP, and then the backend pool, my backend node pool, the protocol, let it be TCP, the port will be 80. So this is normal web port HTTP traffic request, and the backend port as well. Let's keep it 80. And the health probe we already have created, my LB health probe, and then let it be all the parameters as it is, and then save it. So it's creating a load balancer rule. So now the load my LB rule is in place. Let's go to the overview, and now I can go to the front end IP configurations, and I can hit my front end IP. So here I can go to front end IP, default.html. So it is giving us the load balancer VM1. Let's refresh it for some time. So it's still giving the load balancer VM1. So let's open an incognito window, and I can copy this. Let's go to here. Here we are giving VM1. Let's try with some different browser setup. It's again the VM1, so it works like whenever a different user or from different machines we are getting that IP. So the load balancer is setting up the traffic in that way. Okay, we are now getting the VM2. So here you can see like this is the load balancer VM1, and here this is the load balancer VM2. But we also given the same IP address 4.187.131.52, but in different browser we are getting the responses from different VMs. So basically it denotes this particular diagram, like the my LB VM load balancer is routing our normal web traffic through the port 80 to our VMLB1 and VMLB2. Thank you.